we are going to go through how to install the Siemens TIA portal. So we are going back to the pack folder. This folder which has been named the professional. Open it. Then TI portal step 7. And we will start it. So we are going to run as administrator.
Okay, so what's done initializing it?
Okay, so let's continue. The language was selected as English. Okay, we can continue. Next, we will have to accept all the conditions and also confirm all security permissions. Right here, we will continue with the current settings. Now let's take TI automation software update server. Now continue with current settings. Will accept all permission settings to the security settings, and we will install. The installation will take a little bit of time. So we will wait for it to install. Okay, it's almost done downloading. It's almost done installing. So we still wait for it to finish. Okay, so we are done installing the TIA portal. I will not restart it, but you can choose to restart it if you want. So we are done installing the TI portal, and you can see it here. The TI portal version 17 has been installed, and I can open it. So we are waiting for it to open, then you can and check what is wrong with it and how to go with it. Okay, so it's open, and because I've been working on it, these are my projects open. All right, thank you for your time.